A young doctor was allegedly assaulted by a group of miscreants inside the Bidar Institute of Medical Sciences District Hospital in Bidar during emergency duty hours late on the night of May 21st. According to reports, a group of youths had come to the hospital for treatment after reportedly falling from a bike and sustaining minor injuries. During the treatment, a verbal argument broke out between the youths and the doctor over the registration of a medico-legal case. The youths allegedly insisted that the doctors should not register the case as an MLC. Dr. Tukaram, who was later attacked, said that despite providing treatment without registering an MLC case, the youths returned and accused him of registering one. He stated that 4 to 5 youths later entered the hospital and assaulted him. The attack left the Orthopaedics PG resident seriously injured. He suffered a maxillary fracture and is currently undergoing treatment in the surgical ICU. The incident has raised serious concerns about the safety and security of doctors even inside government hospitals. The incident took place under the jurisdiction of the New Town Police Station. Police officials visited the hospital, inspected the scene, and collected information from the injured doctor regarding the attack. Meanwhile, the Karnataka Association of Resident Doctors strongly condemned the assault and described the attack on healthcare workers during duty hours as unacceptable and deeply concerning. KARD stated that after continuous follow-up with the concerned authorities, senior officials and influential representatives in Bidar, the matter was escalated to the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police. According to the latest update, all 5 accused involved in the incident have been arrested and police are pursuing strong legal action against them, including charges under IPC Section 307 related to attempt to murder. Following the incident, doctors at the BRIMS hospital staged a protest condemning the assault on their colleague. As part of the protest, they shut down the OPD and casualty services and also decided not to conduct a final year MBBS practical examinations. The protesting doctors held a demonstration in front of the hospital at around 10 a.m. and demanded strict punishment for the accused, along with stronger security measures in all government hospitals to ensure the safety of doctors and healthcare staff. KARD said it stands firmly with the injured resident doctor and all healthcare workers affected by the incident, adding that violence against doctors is violence against healthcare. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.